Yo, what's up? We are the Lord Brothers from the Kinjaz and Underground Flow. We just want to show some love to SaiKo Lee for giving back to the Hmong community and for his project Street Stops and Mountaintops.
As teaching artists ourselves and artists and dancer, we think it's really important for kids to have a positive outlet and not just a way of creating themselves. And to SaiKo Lee, mad love to all of them and the organizer. They're doing a great job right now around the world, just providing art as a form of expression, as a form of creativity, and as a form of empowerment. So please support. Here's the link right here down below.
Boom.
Yeah, check it out, learn more, and spread the love.
Peace.
Hey, what's up everybody? My name is SaiKo Lee and I'm an organizer and artist. I've been working in the community for 15 plus years. I always believed art as a positive force in people's lives as well as a tool for change. I've worked with youth in schools and community centers as well as with elders. Now I want to tell you about a project I've been really passionate about the last few years. I put a lot of time and dedication into it. It's called Street Stops and Mountaintops. People came together in unity. They had an opportunity to travel back to Thailand, where my people lived as refugees, and many have remained there since. During my time there, I noticed their difficult living situations, and there were many troubled youth without positive outlets. I started reflecting on the similarities of these young people and the ones back home, and how we created an arts movement to uplift the generation. As I spent more time there, I noticed a strong interest in the arts. I saw singers, musicians, dancers, and other artists. I saw passion in their creativity. I felt a connection. I had that same feeling of wanting to build something impactful and resourceful through collaborating with the local community. Our performance had a profound impact on me. I realized that this was a worldwide collaboration. This was the birth of Street Stops and Mountaintops. This is a project that connects artists from the United States to work with children of villages and orphanages of Southeast Asia, starting with Thailand. Please support me and Street Stops and Mountaintops